Buzzing sound in the ear, finding relief. Buzzing audios in the ear can be annoying and really irritating. It can be caused by a variety of things and also has the power to influence every part of your life. There are a variety of points that can be done to aid in dealing with having a constant humming sound in the ear. Tinnitus. Buzzing sounds in the ear are a lot more typically referred to as ringing in the ears. It can be existing some of the moment or all of the time, as well as has varying levels of intensity. It can likewise come in a range of types such as humming, barking or ringing. Ringing in the ears can be temporary or permanent, as well as may be irrelevant of other problems, or it could be a signs and symptom in an underlying clinical concern. A humming audio in the ear must be examined to dismiss any other issues. Sources of humming appears in the ear. Humming sounds in the ear can take place after being exposed to loud noises, where loud noises refers to sounds above a safe hearing level, above about 85 decibels. They can additionally occur with an earache or ear infection. As long as no long-term damages is done to the ear during these episodes, the humming audios in the ears may be temporary. Humming noises in the ear might additionally be a sign of an underlying problem, such as migraine or labyrinthitis. It can be existing in those with a head injury or Meniere's condition. Humming noise in the ear can likewise exist in noise-caused hearing loss or could be caused by certain medicines. Treatment. Dealing with buzzing noises in the ear can be as straightforward as preventing triggers or as complicated as using listening devices or machines designed to mask the sound the buzzing makes. Many people find that listening to songs or even opening up a door or window to let even more all-natural noise in is enough to mask the noise the ringing in the ears makes. Humming audios in the ear can be treated with alternative therapies such as taking zinc or various other vitamin supplements. Vitamin B12, thiamine, magnesium and also ginkgo biloba have been suggested as being helpful. Staying clear of alcohol, sugar and high levels of caffeine might likewise aid in lowering the severity of the buzzing audio in the ears. Putting on ear muffs or earplugs in a loud atmosphere is most likely to help, along with breathing exercises, attempting cognitive behavior modification, counseling, as well as avoiding loud noises. Many victims of humming noises in the ear have actually located that it is worse throughout times of stress, so locating means to manage your anxiety is most likely to assist in lessening the issue. Various other treatments that have actually been valuable are acupuncture, Tai Chi and Ayurvedic medication. Relaxation, steroids as well as antidepressants have assisted individuals in managing their symptoms. Buzzing audios in the ear can disrupt as well as impact every location of the victim's life. It can hinder sleep patterns corresponding and also therefore cause fatigue and also exhaustion. Nonetheless, it can be regulated. It can become just one more part of life that has little or no influence on your life. Locate means to regulate the humming sound in your ears so that it doesn't control you. Try a variety of treatments to work out which one functions best for your scenario, and after that utilize it consistently.